Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This is Wild Rose Designer Art on Cotton Cloth. Those interested in learning professional certificate courses can contact me. For the face, I have taken burnt sienna and burnt umber, and here I have taken medium number 1 in the colors. I have used 8 number round brush. Do see my live videos for similar designer fabric painting artworks. There are many more, and the new one is. Do see my designer painting of face and chrysanthemums in my live video. I have applied medium number 1 white, yellow, and then purple color, and for dark shade I have taken mauve. For leaves I have taken sap green, and for branches I have taken burnt sienna and burnt umber. my live videos for such designer fabric painting on cloth, and you can paint on dresses, tops and many more. And you can join my professional certificate courses. Do like, share, comment and subscribe my channel, friends. I'll be coming up with more interesting videos on techniques of painting and artworks. Keep watching. See you.